Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to improve your English speaking skills and start thinking in English like a native, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you a simple but effective 30-day routine that will help you think in English effortlessly. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos on English fluency and learning tips. Now, let's get started. If you want to think in English naturally, you need to train your brain every day. Thinking in English is the key to fluency because it removes the need to translate from your native language. When you stop translating, you will start speaking faster, more confidently, and more naturally. The good news is that you can develop this skill with daily practice. In this video, we'll go through a 30-day routine that will help you think in English effortlessly. The goal is to make English a natural part of your thoughts, just like your native language. Let's get started. For the first few days, the focus will be on simple words and phrases. When you wake up in the morning, describe what you're doing in English. For example, say to yourself, "I am waking up, I am stretching, I am getting out of bed." Keep your sentences short and simple. This step is important because it helps your brain connect actions with English words. You can do this all day with simple actions. I am brushing my teeth. I am drinking coffee. I am leaving the house. If you don't know a word, look it up and say it out loud. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. Next, start naming objects around you. This is an easy way to think in English without needing full sentences. As you walk through your home or go outside, say the names of things in your mind. Door, window, tree, sky, car, street. You can also try to describe them. The sky is blue. The car is red. This builds your vocabulary and strengthens your ability to think in English. After a few days, add more details to your thoughts. Instead of just saying, "I am eating breakfast," expand it. "I am eating toast with jam. It tastes sweet. The coffee is hot." This step helps you think in more complex phrases and trains your brain to describe situations naturally. Now let's introduce a new challenge, asking and answering questions. Throughout the day, ask yourself simple questions and answer them in English. For example, what am I going to do next? I am going to work. What do I need to bring? I need my phone, my keys, and my wallet. This exercise simulates natural conversation in your mind and improves your ability to form sentences quickly. By the end of the first week, you should start narrating your day in real time. Think of yourself as a storyteller describing your life. As you move through your routine, try to express your thoughts in English. "It's a busy morning. I need to finish this report before lunch. I feel a little tired, so I will drink some tea." This exercise pushes your brain to process English as a continuous stream, just like a native speaker. Now let's move into the second week. It's time to expand your vocabulary and expressions. Every day, pick a new word or phrase and use it throughout the day. For example, if the word is challenging, try to use it in different situations. "This task is challenging. Learning a new skill can be challenging. Today was a challenging day." Repetition helps your brain remember new words naturally. To improve fluency even more, practice speaking out loud. Find a quiet place and talk to yourself. Pretend you're having a conversation with a friend. For example, tell an imaginary friend about your day. "Today was really productive. I finished all my work and even had time for a walk." Speaking out loud makes your thoughts more structured and prepares you for real conversations. Another powerful exercise is the 5-minute storytelling method. Every evening, choose a topic and talk about it for 5 minutes. It could be a memory, a daily event, or even an imaginary story. The key is to keep talking without stopping, even if you make mistakes. This forces your brain to think in English quickly and improves your fluency. By the third week, increase the complexity of your thoughts. Instead of just describing things, start expressing opinions. For example, if you see a movie trailer, think, That movie looks interesting. I like the actor, but I'm not sure about the story. If you read an article, ask yourself, do I agree with this? What do I think about it? Thinking in opinions helps you speak more naturally in conversations. At this stage, try switching your entertainment to English. Watch English videos, listen to podcasts, or read books in English. The more you expose yourself to English, the easier it becomes to think in it. A great technique is to summarize what you watch or read. After finishing a video, quickly summarize it in your own words. That video was about healthy eating. The speaker gave 3 tips: eat more vegetables, drink more water, and avoid sugar. This helps your brain process information in English. Now let's move into the final week. You should already be thinking in English throughout the day. Now challenge yourself with advanced exercises. Try debating with yourself in English. Pick a topic and argue both sides. Social media is good because it connects people, but it's also bad because it can be distracting. This trains your brain to think critically in English. Another advanced exercise is describing emotions and abstract ideas. Instead of saying, I feel happy, go deeper. I feel relaxed because I finished my work early. I feel grateful for my family. This adds depth to your English thinking and helps you express yourself better. To finish the 30-day routine, spend the last few days reflecting in English. Every night, think about your day and summarize it. Today was a great day. I learned something new at work. I had a nice conversation with a friend. I feel proud of my progress. You can even write these thoughts down in a journal to reinforce them. By the end of this 30-day routine, thinking in English will feel natural. You will no longer translate in your head. Instead, words and sentences will flow naturally, making your speaking smoother and more confident. Keep practicing daily, and soon, English will become a part of your thinking just like your native language. That's it for today's video. Try this routine for the next 30 days and let me know in the comments how it works for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on improving your English fluency. See you in the next video.